gone nowhere. Let's have some fun. Subscribe because there are more to come. Let's create. So what I have here is a couple of fillets of Coho salmon. C-O-H-O. That's a type of salmon. And this one is wild caught and fresh. In another word, it's wild fish. It's not the one that you find in farms and things like that. And this is going to be very simple. Apply a little bit of sea salt. Ground pepper. And ground turmeric. And you do the same for the other one. And you do it both sides. Because you want it flip it back to the front. And in the front, you're going to add some thyme, fresh thyme. Not a lot, just a little bit. Once again, you do the exact same thing for the other one. Oil, I'm going with the extra virgin. Not a whole lot, just a little bit. Few drops. Grab a little brush. Move that oil around. Grab a little bit of lemon, squeeze it up. Not a lot, you don't want a lot of juice, just a little bit. Put the fillets in. Make sure they fit. It has to be perfect or pretty. Put some basil around. Couple slices of lemon. Here you have it. So I have the oven at 350 degrees. Going to put the salmon in. And this is not an issue of time. I'm going to check it out in about 10 minutes anyhow. It is an issue that it has to be flaky when you check it out. That way you know it's cooked in the inside. So it's been close to 30 minutes. And this is how you know it's done. It's flaky, the inside is cooked, it's not raw. It's ready to go. So it only took 30 minutes to prepare at 350 degrees Fahrenheit in the oven.